You can buy with confidence and peace of mind at M&I Motors, located on Skokie Valley Road just north of Route 22. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Qualified vehicles are put through a rigorous 127-point safety inspection. The engine oil is replaced and fluids are topped off. And include a 3-month, 3,000-mile, limited vehicle protection warranty. M&I Motors is excited to show you this exceptional 2009 Audi Q5 3.2 Premium with Quattro all-wheel drive system. Black over-tan interior. Absolutely pristine and loaded with Audi navigation system. Heated front seats. Wood trim accents. Audi alloy wheels. Parking sensors. Power glass panorama sunroof. Power rear lift gate. Bluetooth connectivity and so much more. Here's a few extra words about the 2010 Audi Q5 with Quattro all-wheel drive. Automobile Magazine calls the Q5 delivers a good mix of car-like ride and handling. Auto Week found the Q5 to be superbly equipped, nimble, and easy to park. Auto Week found the Q5 to hit the mark on comfort and amenities. Motor Trend calls the Q5 unmatched in terms of styling and performance. Call us to schedule a test drive today at 847-266-9200. Thank you for watching. Remember to like us on Facebook and we hope to see one of our cars in your garage soon.